guys, भूत कुछ नहीं होता, सब वहम है लोगों का. Like that was just as we were about to enter the graveyard, and the light also had gone just before that. And as soon as like, would you move into a place where somebody killed themselves?
Apparently, he had seen trucks without drivers driving by, but then that he was just drunk.
That wasn't paranormal. That was science fiction.
भाई मैंने ना जिंदगी में एक हॉरर फिल्म देखी है, वो है राज. बिपाशा बासु, डीनो मौर्य, आशुतोष राणा.
कोल्ड ओपन मिल गया guys.
दिल्ली में एक चुड़ैल खुली घूम रही है. कोई है.
डरना जरूरी है.
Tumbad. Oh, I got the assignment wrong. I'm sorry. I got it wrong. Oh, I got it wrong. Oh, okay, cool. I thought you were just naming.
Guys, we're Raj and DK, guys. Two scary things and one joke.
One
Yes,
joke.
of course. That's how we do it. ऐसे 3-2 ऐसे थोड़ा हटोगे.
We are gonna write the 3-3.
Three.
Everyone, I think everyone
Is making this joke at this
everyone,
point.
yeah, that's the most first thought. What are we talking about on this episode? Why did we begin with horror movie names?
हम लोग इतने टाइम से प्लान कर रहे थे कि अब्बास ने टी शर्ट बनवा ली अपने साइज की.
Oh, you have a calendar for every day of the year? That's pretty cool, huh?
And a chaku going inside an eye for
Yeah,
some
wow,
reason.
man,
In
nice.
a hockey mask. Yeah.
What today?
He didn't listen to Gandhi or what?
Okay. The rest of the episode is going to be better than this. Please stick with us. Please do not leave. If by some chance Snehal has left this joke in, we apologize.
Yes.
And yes, please tell us what the
I
episode
think
is
Snehal
about.
given his joke cut out this explanation. We are talking about the scariest of situations. That is the most fun, scary stories that we know. of.
Yes.
Yeah. And that's
to the best of our
because
ability.
And that's because someone that goes by the handle of Sushant1492 actually
Oh,
commented.
SS.
yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
No, this Sushant was born on 1st April 1992. That's why
That is what our best guess is
Yeah.
with the username.
No,
He
it's
actually
because-
commented
हाँ.
कि guys अगले हफ्ते Friday the 13th है,
Yeah,
तो horror episode करो. And I'm like, oh wow, dude, yes,
That's a great thought.
It's a great thought. Why didn't we
It's-
think of this?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Sushant had no idea that the three of us are grade A phattus who barely
Also,
watch horror movies.
someone else is giving us ideas, so we don't have to think of them. Great.
Yeah.
dude.
Great.
For sure, that's
Yes.
100%.
It's called
We'll do it.
crowdsourcing.
Yeah, correct. We'll
Yes,
do it every
please.
time. You guys
Yeah.
suggest more, we will do it.
We will do it 110%.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do a shirtless episode, Abbas.
Yeah. Don't write people's names and be like, now do them. Actually. What did you say?
Or
Shirtless
do- or
episode?
do- Yeah, shirtless episode.
Okay, sure.
And
Yeah.
then I was like,
That's
okay,
that's all the horror that you need for this episode.
that's a more Friday the 13th
Yeah.
and more than Friday the 13th t-shirt.
But आपको पता है Friday the 13th legend start कहाँ से हुआ था?
Yeah, from the
The
same-
t-shirt that he's wearing.
No, the movie could not have been the first one.
No, bro.
हाँ,
Oh,
it
it's a-
must
like
have
a
been
thing
a
before?
pre-existing
It's like a
legend.
thing. So I think
तेरा वैसे भी अनलकी नंबर माना जाता है ना.
हाँ.
वो तो है.
हाँ.
So I think this was एक ऐसा like जो story मैंने सुनी है, this was actually from the time of pirates.
अच्छा.
और कहते हैं कि एक शिप जो थी वो
Flying Dutchman.
तो वो फ्राइडे द 13th को सेल हुई थी और वो कभी वापस लौटी नहीं. तो इसलिए कहते हैं कि फ्राइडे द 13th इज लाइक
Unlucky. or
unlucky
like,
basically.
Scary.
Scary.
What other like usual like happenstance in our everyday lives are scary things that you have heard about? or
That you
believe?
wake up
मेरा
and you
phone
realize you
गिरना.
have to go to
To
a job
work.
to earn money. That's
ओ
the
someone
scariest.
actually ओ पता है पिछले एपिसोड पे किसी ने कमेंट किया है कि तुम लोग को तमाशा इसलिए नहीं पसंद है क्योंकि तुम लोग ने कभी जॉब्स नहीं की है.
What are you talking about, dude? Of course it does jobs. Are you crazy?
I still do
What do you think we are, man?
That's the reason we're recording at 10:30 in the night.
Dude, also freelancing is also it's a job. It's a freelance job.
नहीं नहीं he's like आपने 9 to 5 नहीं किया होगा कभी लाइफ में.
किया है भैंचोद लौड़े तेरे बाप ने नहीं किया समझा क्या?
भाई
साला।
एक्चुअल इंसान ने कमेंट किया आप तो शुरू ही हो गए हो.
नहीं
हाँ,
नहीं
तो-
लोगों को
तो-
genuinely लगता है कि this is our full time gig.
Yeah.
Like all
Bro,
we do
I
is.
would love
If-
to
if
make
only.
this my full
only,
time
but-
gig.
So you have to do is
Subscribe,
And like
dude.
this
I
video.
swear.
Tell your friends about us.
At the time of recording, I think we are 1404. We need to get to 1500 by the time we release this episode, or at least by the time we release the next episode after this episode.
Make us reach
But no, no. See,
6,666.
Snehal said it
Number
right
of the devil.
after. We, the way Snehal said it made it sound like we need only 1,500 subscribers to be able to make this into a full-time job. No, that's not it, guys.
Not it.
We need at least like 100,000 or something, at least. to be
At
able to
least,
manage.
at least.
But ठीक है, चलो.
Yes.
Horror stories and movies. We're talking about things in our everyday life. Like, do you guys? We all know the RA story, right? The RA story.
I have no idea, dude.
You don't know about the RA story?
There is RA colony में
RA colony in Bombay,
एक
yes.
आत्मा भटकती है ये
What
the
basic
fuck,
उसका
dude?
हाँ
So-
तुझे नहीं पता था
So there is a story that goes that there was once a rickshaw guy who was driving down RA, and so RA has two ends, right? One end is at Powai and one end is at Goregaon, the RA road.
Is it
Okay.
the RA ghost calling you?
Sorry.
He's like, सुन बे रिक्शे वाला मैं नहीं था. Dude, the fact that the moment he said कि एक रिक्शे वाला था जो वहाँ पे जा रहा था and suddenly the phone rings.
Phone rings, yeah, correct. It's like rickshaw wala called.
And then he's like,
Yes,
तू
sir.
क्या बोल रहा है मेरे बारे में? अंतरिक्ष की
allowed.
फट के 28 हो जाती है.
हाँ so
Never
tell us the story.
So the story is that as I was saying, the RA road has two ends, Powai side and Goregaon side. It is said that Goregaon side say he was picking someone up to go towards somewhere maybe in RA or cross RA, I'm not sure about what. And on the way, picks up a woman walking alone, picks her up to drop her because she says, "Bhaiya, मेरे को थोड़ा आगे छोड़ दो." And while she is in the rickshaw, okay, he gets to talking because as you get to talking with the rickshaw guy, and she tells him, this my mother lives in tells her the name. I'm forgetting the area. I think somewhere around Andheri East or something, whatever. Lives around here. I have this as a life. I used to do this. I used to work in whatever, and I haven't. I'm just going to meet my mother after a really long time. So thank God I met you to be able to tell
Reach
this,
her,
like
हाँ.
reach this thing. I don't know how I reached. And so आगे जाके थोड़ा आगे जाते हैं, and then she makes him stop. So basically, she makes him stop almost in the middle of nowhere because the RA has this part which a stretch which is आसपास कुछ नहीं है.
Deserted, हाँ.
Okay,
Okay.
थोड़ा deserted type है. So she gets off there and she just goes. And this guy's like, dude, what happened? Why did she just make me stop in the middle of nowhere and just disappear? This is crazy. Okay, and she had left like a number in the back seat.
Okay.
Okay.
Like a handwritten number.
Like a handwritten
Huh.
note. Okay.
Was that 13?
No,
No.
that would be insane.
Bro,
But
fuck.
so he's like, oh, what is this number? He
Huh.
calls her up, and it's her mother.
Hmm.
Okay, this woman's mother, and this guy, she tells him,
Achha,
"Ki,
ab samajh
I
aa
just
gaya.
I just met your daughter and whatever."
And this
so I
is
just-
crazy.
And-
So
She left me your
she
number.
left me your number. You can call me crazy.
So the mother says that my daughter has been dead for the last 15 years,
Boom.
and आया खुश मजा आया. So that was.
पर ये थोड़ा मतलब resourceful था, like leaving a number in the
Yeah, so-
back seat.
So the thing is, there
Also
are
very
different
Considerate.
versions-
She wanted to tell him about.
Yeah.
herself.
There are also different versions of this. The story always revolves around a rickshaw guy and a woman who he picks up. But then the sequence of what
उसी
happened,
वजह से
how
सारे
it
रिक्शा
worked-
वाले मना
नहीं
तो नहीं
जाते
करते
हैं,
हैं कि हम
हाँ,
नहीं जाएंगे.
नहीं
नहीं नहीं
जाते
माने
हैं.
यार.
Yeah.
उल्टा भाड़ा नहीं लेंगे.
I've also had stories.
In more ways than one.
I've also had stories like where so I was in boarding school for 2 years of my life in 9th and 10th standard, and our boarding school bus driver used to be a truck driver before that. He used to tell us
Okay.
stories. Okay.
Okay.
And he had some like eerie things happen with him, or like paranormal ही बोल दो, where apparently he had seen trucks without drivers driving by, but then that he was drunk.
That wasn't paranormal. That was science fiction.
but then seeing trucks with no drivers you could just be
Yeah.
drunk as a truck driver, as we famously know. But so he used to tell this story, and he's told this to us. Like multiple of us had heard him tell this story to us. Okay, so he was going down like so my boarding school was in Panchgani Mahabaleshwar. Okay, and he says that this guy was driving his truck down from Mahabaleshwar to Y in Satara district. Okay, so Y he was going towards, and it's like I think like 40 to 50 minute drive or something like that. During that drive late at night, like 2-3 in the morning, he encounters a woman dressed in a full white sari, long white hair. He knew what it was. Okay, he knew that he has heard these stories. We all have.
हाँ
see the woman in
मतलब
white,
सफेद
don't,
साड़ी
yeah,
हाँ
yeah, don't stop and all. Don't,
yeah.
don't try to
Entertain.
entertain in any way.
No scene
Because
bro,
apparently,
no scene.
Yeah, apparently she seemingly asked for a lift, but the second you
कि भूत इतना
stop,
लिफ्ट क्यों मांगते हैं? like ये मेरे को समझ में नहीं
तो
आता.
exactly.
अदनान सामी उनका
So-
फेवरेट
So
सिंगर
then
है.
the funny thing is, right? The funny thing is that wait, some comic used to do this joke. No, was it Masoom?
No, the RA joke I know Govind Menon used to do.
Okay, फिर lift क्यों मांग रही है? Was that one?
हाँ,
That
something
was
like that.
Govind.
Yeah.
Yeah. So very funny joke. So we will tell you. So basically the thing is that so he encountered this woman, saw her, okay, see just standing on the side of the road, middle of the night, doing alone. कोई आसपास कुछ नहीं है, okay, and he didn't even like he just looked at her once and then just kept going. Kept going. About 2 minutes later, he's a little shaken up because he knows
कि क्या देखा
what it is, right? So he's a little shaken up. He looks in his rearview mirror.
एंड उसके पीछे भागती हुई आ रही है
Exactly.
भैंस की.
तूने इसका वर्जन सुना है?
You also heard this version of.
मतलब ये स्टोरी सुनी हुई है
Stories are that she's basically whatever speed you go, you try to go 100 also.
हाँ, she'll
she's
match
keeping a
it.
pace
Yeah.
with your vehicle. Okay, and so he can now see her, dude, in his rearview mirror. He can see her. Can you imagine the fucking butt fucking freaking out they're doing? So he's just going. He knows that he's not supposed to look behind because the second you look behind,
भाग ठुक
she
जाएगा
takes you.
आगे. अच्छा वो शीट
ठुक भी जाएगा.
I thought
100 के जुड़े कर रहा है.
like वैसे ठुक जाएगा वो. That is how she takes you bro. तो ठुक
Correct.
जाएगा.
Yeah. So that so then like I had just before entering Y there was a nala which came up and she seemingly went towards the nala and just disappeared out of the nala. But then this is crazy. So
No, this is scary. Just that
Yeah.
he's told me this before we started
this
rolling.
was, yeah.
And the second time listening that she went into a nala is a little funny. Sorry. Atma ji, if you are listening, I mean no harm.
But you also have a story around.
So the
अबे
thing
ऐसे
is-
टॉन्ट मत किया करो बे. कहीं सुना लिया तो भाई मैं तो
देखो ये
अकेले रहता
एपिसोड
हूँ.
आने तक अगर हम 3 जिंदा हैं मतलब
हाँ
हाँ. नहीं मैं बोल रहा था कि यही जो थिंग कीपिंग अप विद अ व्हीकल एज द व्हीकल इज गोइंग फॉरवर्ड,
ये मुझे सबसे क्रीपी और स्कैरी
ये पता है. मैं अभी जिस
Yeah.
दोस्त के साथ मैं स्त्री 2 देखने गया, स्त्री 2 में एक सीन है जहाँ पे ये लोग बाइक पे जा रहे हैं, 2 बाइक पे, और वो सर कटा पीछे से. हाँ, तो वो मेरे को पिक्चर के बाद कर रहा है. एंड ही इज फ्रॉम राजस्थान. So he
Bro, I have heard so many stories from Rajasthan.
the more
dude.
ancient, the more the
Yeah,
place
dude.
has havelis and mahals, the more you will find this. But he was saying that this happened to a friend of his friend, like a friend of a friend. That he was on a bike with another guy behind, and same sort of scenario, a deserted highway. ये लोग जा रहे हैं बाइक पे, तो उसके पीछे वाला दोस्त कह रहा है कि भाई कुछ भी करियो अपने रेयर व्यू मिरर में मत देख, ठीक है. एंड ही कैन मेक आउट रेयर व्यू, मतलब सामने देख रहा है बट ही कैन मेक
Peripheral
आउट
vision
देयर
से,
इज
हाँ.
समथिंग, मतलब ऐसे कुछ रोशनी वाला पीछे आ रहा है, सफेद सफेद. अगर तू बढ़ा पीछे मत देख. So then his friend says that as he started accelerating, he could literally feel somebody right next to him as they were speeding the bike. और फिर पता नहीं क्या, मतलब उनको इतना डर लगा, या उनको पता नहीं ये था कि हम मुड़ के देखेंगे तो पता नहीं क्या दिख जाएगा, उससे क्या हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
दोनों ने अपनी आंख बंद कर ली. सो जब चला रहा है बाइक, फिर भी उसने अपनी आंख बंद कर ली. द बाइक स्किडेड, fell in the
नाला.
jungle.
Just like-
Rajasthan apparently has no
yeah,
nala.
yeah. I mean, Snehal did say आंखें बंद करो तो ठुक
Yeah.
हाँ.
But when they came to their senses, वो फिर भी चिल्ला रहे थे कि क्या हो गया. तो कुछ नहीं दिखा उनको. एक अंकल गाड़ी लेके जा रहे थे, उन्होंने रोक के फिर बोला कि मैंने तुम दोनों को ऐसे जंगल में से चिल्लाते हुए सुना, तो मैं आवाज फॉलो करते
और वो
आया.
पंकज त्रिपाठी.
एक ये, you want to tell me the second one that I told you? This is like an urban legend in Lucknow that I have heard. It is filmy Kolada related because it has to do with the movies. There's this story that there were 3 boys, young boys, who used to live in a hostel in Lucknow. They went to see a horror movie, late night show, ठीक है. फिर वो वापस आ रहे थे जब, तो उन्होंने एक साइकिल रिक्शा वाले को पकड़ा कि हमको हॉस्टल तक छोड़ दो. अब वो साइकिल रिक्शा चल रहा है, ये तीनों फिल्म जो देख के आए वो डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. उसमें जो भी भूत था, मॉन्स्टर था, उसकी बात कर रहे हैं. अबे वो देखो का डरावना सा था ना. और बीच बीच में रिक्शा वाला उनको सवाल पूछा. और रिक्शा वाला ठंड है तो उसने मफलर वफलर सब पहना हुआ है, ढका हुआ है. बीच बीच में वो सवाल पूछ रहा है, अच्छा आप ये पिक्चर देखने गए थे? हाँ, इसमें ये वाला हीरोइन है, ये वाली हीरोइन है. तो वो बीच बीच में उसको जवाब दे के फिर वापस उन्होंने डिस्कशन पे आ रहे हैं. फिर वो बात करना शुरू करते हैं भूत के अपीयरेंस के, कि तुम उसके हाथ देखे थे क्या, घिनौने से हाथ थे यार, नाखून नुकीले
जो
नुकीले से,
भूत ही तो नहीं चला रहा था ऑटो.
नुकीले नुकीले से हाथ, ये वो. तो रिक्शा वाला कहता है कि अच्छा हाथ उसके ऐसे थे
ओ
क्या?
तेरी माँ।
और फिर वो लड़के बोलते कि हम वो देख के बेहोश हो गए, फिर जब हम होश में आए तो हम दूसरे दिन सुबह अपने हॉस्टल रूम में थे, किसने पहुंचाया?
चलो एज लॉन्ग एज भूत तमीजदार है, घर पहुंचा रहा
I
है।
mean, the Bhoot did his science experiment.
Like, मैं देखूं कि अब तक इंसानों की फट रही है क्या हमसे?
This is the common alien trait, no? People see aliens, they're prodding them and being tested by aliens.
And then
Next
they
day
leave
come
them
out,
there.
"Oh, maybe that was a dream." Who knows?
But do you have any stories, Nehal, that you want
मेरे
to
को
share
रिकवर
with us?
करने दो। सो फेमसली जो लोग हमें थोड़ा पहले से फॉलो कर रहे हैं, दे नो कि मेरी
हाँ।
मतलब मैं नहीं झेल सकता हूँ हॉरर। मैंने आई थिंक आज तक आप बेसिक से बेसिक हॉरर फिल्म्स की बात कर लो, मैंने नहीं देखी। लाइक जिस रैंडमली नाम थ्रो करोगे ना, मैं राम गोपाल वर्मा का हॉरर भी नहीं देख सकता भाई, लेट
क्या,
अलोन।
डरना मना डरना नहीं देंगे?
भाई डरना मना है तो चलो हॉरर फिल्म ही नहीं है ना।
It's not the ghost kind of
It's
horror.
not the ghost kind of horror.
Sure, okay, sure,
और वो
yeah.
पैरानॉर्मल भी उतना नहीं है, इट्स जस्ट लाइक रैंडो, ओ अच्छा ये था ऐसा स्टफ। तो लाइक हॉरर एज इन लाइक भूत नहीं देखी मैंने फॉर
पर
एग्जांपल।
मतलब ये तेरी भूत की कहानियों से फटती है, अगर सीरियल किलर की कोई कहानी हो, उससे नहीं
हाँ
फटती।
नहीं वो ठीक है,
ओके
दैट्स फाइन।
Aliens also fine.
एलियन इज आल्सो फाइन।
Okay.
दैट्स लाइक भूत, भूत से बहुत फटता है।
पैरानॉर्मल।
पैरानॉर्मल बहुत ज़्यादा। तो बट एनीवे एक भाई मेरे साथ हुआ था ये, और ये ना मैं बहुत ही छोटा था, और अभी मैं कहानी सुनाऊंगा तो मैं बहुत ही चूतिया साउंड करूंगा, बट अब हुआ था तो हुआ था, क्या कर सकते हैं। कुछ पैरानॉर्मल नहीं है इसमें, बट आप एक 8 साल के बच्चे का माइंडसेट समझना, ठीक है। अब मेरे घर के जस्ट नीचे ना दिल्ली में, टू ऑल द मुंबई पीपल,
बड़े बड़े घर होते हैं।
हाँ, दिस वुड साउंड लिटिल एलियन टू यू, बट हमारे घर के नीचे ही पार्क था बहुत बड़ा,
हाँ।
जिसमें हम लोग क्रिकेट खेल सकते थे।
हाँ।
तो हम लोग क्रिकेट खेलते थे, एंड वो पूरा प्रॉपर लाइक ग्रीन ट्रीज एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, ठीक है। एंड उसके जस्ट एडजॉइनिंग एक और पार्क था जो पूरा ब्राउन था, ठीक है। लाइक नो ग्रास, पेड़ थे वो सूखे पेड़ थे, वो नहीं क्या कहते हैं, कोई पत्ता नहीं किसी पेड़ पे, ठीक है। और अगर कुछ पत्ते हैं भी तो बहुत डल कलर के, वो ब्राउन और वो ग्रीन, और वो क्वाइट लिटरली वॉल टू वॉल थे। द पार्क्स यूज्ड टू शेयर अ वॉल।
Okay.
तो वहाँ पे ना एक बड़ा वो था कि इस पार्क में मत जाया करूँ, यहाँ पे ना भूत है, ठीक है। एंड उस टाइम पे मैं अबे भूत कुछ नहीं होता है, तो क्या है।
Oh, 8-year-old was more.
हाँ, 8-year-old की नहीं फटती थी, ठीक है। अब लाइक भूत कुछ नहीं होता है, वो ठीक है भाई।
Where's the science, bro?
I swear, I was like, bro, 9.8 meter per second square inch. Anyway, तो भाई अपन क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं। अब ना रूल था उस पार्क में मारना आउट, पहली बात तो, ठीक है।
Oh, अच्छा।
क्योंकि वहां कौन
बॉल
जाए,
बॉल लेने कौन जाएगा?
बॉल को लाने कौन जाए। अब और अगर और मतलब एंड हुएवर हिट्स द बॉल गेट्स द बॉल। एक दिन हम लोग रात को खेल रहे थे, और लाइट्स वाइट्स चली गई घर की सबकी, तो पार्क का जो बड़ा टावर वाला लाइट था ना वो जल रही थी, ठीक है। तो हम लोग पार्क में आ गए खेलने के लिए, और खेल रहे हैं। मैंने शॉट मारा और वो उस पार्क में चला गया।
Oh shit.
ठीक है। अब क्या सीन है, अब सारे मेरे को देख रहे हैं, हम लाइक अबे क्या है बे, हटना, कुछ नहीं होता भाई, लाता है बॉल तुम्हारा, ठीक है।
उसकी पट्टी है।
ठीक है।
अब trying to be brave.
भाई जा रहा बॉल लेने,
हाँ।
ठीक है। अब बॉल लेने गया हूँ मैं, ढूंढ रहा हूँ बॉल ढूंढ रहा हूँ, मुझे बॉल दिखी, मैंने बॉल उठा ली, और बॉल उठा के मैंने बॉल फेंकी उस पार्क से इस पार्क में, ठीक है। मैं बोल रहा ना, दे शेयर्ड अ वॉल, कुछ इतना बड़ी बात नहीं थी। तो मैंने बॉल उधर से यहाँ फेंकी। अब क्या हुआ होगा कि मैंने बॉल फेंकी होगी तो
दीवार को लगी
होगी।
नहीं पेड़ पे लग गई होगी। अब पेड़ पे लगी तो रात को जितने चमगादड़ बैठे थे ऊपर,
Oh shit.
वो
That is freaky, dude.
जैसे ही मैंने बॉल फेंकी वो सारे फड़फड़ करके, मैं कहा तेरी माँ का
अच्छा भागा भाई.
भाई ये तो बैटमैन का ओरिजिन है ब्रो।
वहां से भाई कौवे चमगादड़ सब एकदम उड़ रहे, मैं वहां से भाग रहा हूँ एकदम, मम्मी सीधा अपने घर के अंदर। भाई
बाकी बच्चे
भाई बाकी हंस रहे हैं। मैं सेकंड फ्लोर चढ़ गया
पर उनकी
भाई।
कैसे नहीं फटी यार?
अरे भाई वो तो
दूर
वहां
से
खड़े
देख
थे
रहे
ना, वो
होंगे,
तो
हाँ।
लाइट के नीचे ग्रीन अपने पार्क में खड़े हैं। मैं मम्मी मम्मी करके चिल्लाता हूँ रात को 12:30 बजे
और उस दिन के
और
बाद
उस दिन के बाद से
wow, dude.
स्नेहिल का फट्टू वाला जो अवतार है वो
वही
जाग
कह रहा
गया।
नाउ दैट यू थिंक लॉजिकली बॉल लग गई होगी किसी टहनी पे भाई बट
हो सकता है तूने किसी आत्मा को जगा दिया हो
भाई
और
कुछ
उस-
नहीं ओ भाई एट दिस पॉइंट तो हो भी सकता है, मुझे नहीं आइडिया भाई, मेरे बस का नहीं है।
Do you guys still like if you're ever alone at home,
हम्म।
alone in a room? Do you still?
हाँ भाई
ever-
मैं
yeah?
Of
टीवी
course,
चालू
bro,
करके
of
वॉल्यूम
course.
इंक्रीज करके छोड़ देता
Of
हूँ
course.
Dude, like if I'm ever alone anywhere, no, like sometimes I'll go to my basement late at night.
Hmm.
Okay, and man,
I
even
would
in the
never.
basement, yeah,
I would never.
even in the basement, even though it's lit and all,
Hmm.
because it's so quiet.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, at night, I feel like oh shit, oh did I see something? Did I hear something? तो घर पे तो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. I remember once. So this story I've shared on the an episode that we've done previously long back with.
I think आरे वाला भी आपने
with
उसमें
Farah.
बताया था थोड़ा सा बट मुझे उतना क्लियरली याद
correct,
नहीं
correct. So this story I'm gonna say I've shared on that episode
Okay.
also again, and this what actually happened to me.
हम्म,
So it's like one of the most, I swear to God, like bizarre, eerie things that have ever happened to me personally in my life. Okay, and I still think about it like all the time, like once a week at least. This will cross my mind. Oh, that is insane that happened. Okay, so I was sitting with my very good friend Sridhar. Okay, we're sitting in our car, in my car, and you know, like whatever, smoking or whatever, what do we do in the car, dude? Okay, and just chilling in the car.
this has to be noted that
Yeah, yeah.
maybe they were not sober guys.
Yeah,
Anyway,
that's possible.
continue.
A lot of these things that happen must happen to
Yeah,
intoxicated
yeah,
people.
yeah.
Okay, so this is like around, I want to say not even that late, like around 11 at night, before 12. Like I remember it being before 12 because that in those days I used to have curfew to be back home by 12. Okay, talk about curfew to be back home at 12.
ब्रो व्हाट द ब्रो
What is
मेरे से
happening?
नहीं ये दूसरी बार अंतरिक्ष ने स्टोरी सुनाना स्टार्ट की है।
So this actually happened to me. Sitting in my car with my friend Sridhar, around 11 at night. I have to be home before 12, and so
where are you?
so we are parked near Powai Lake. We used to go
Okay.
park. Me and my friend circle used to go and park around that lake, and we used to chill there, and then we would go back home or whatever after that. That used to be our spot. Okay, so what happened is, so I have this love of reading internet urban legend scary stories. They are called creepypastas. I've told you about this. I've told you about this term. These horror stories, modern or urban horror stories, have been propagated through the internet. They come to be known as creepypastas. That's the term. So me and my friend Sridhar, he had years ago actually introduced me to the concept of creepypastas. And this one day we happened to be talking about creepypastas. Creepypastas, you must have heard of a lot of them, like Slenderman, Jeff the Killer, The Rake, the Russian Sleep Experiment, which I'll again talk about today. So a lot of these are creepypastas, which are like famous stories. Like there's the one about Disney, the abandoned theme park, which is like amazing. All these like crazy, amazing horror stories. Okay, we're talking about all this, and we talk about for a good like half an hour talking about them, and then we move on to talk about like anything else. If I can, dumb high people in a car talking about whatever,
Porn
like
and all
movie
anyway.
and porn, whatever you want to say. Literally, whatever we must have, right? So about 40 minutes later, okay, like we have moved on from that creepypasta wala topic and all of that, and we were talking about Slenderman and whatever, like all these scary things, and suddenly like 40 minutes later, close to an hour even, my phone suddenly chimes in, and the Google Assistant on the phone goes, "Sorry, could not find search results for Slender Man." Okay. Dude, that's a very specific thing. That's all it heard in my entire conversation. I was talking about like a while back. Not even like abhi baat kiya to abhi sun liya. Okay, after all of that, the entire thing, okay, like a good 40-45 minutes after that, all it heard were the words Slender Man in our entire discussion. And then it says, can't even find them? That's also impossible. It has to find them. It's Slender Man is everywhere, dude. That is crazy. So I was just like, dude, what the fuck? That is crazy that this even happens. The thing with the Slender Man ka legend is that he is like this scary, lanky figure with a faceless face, basically. He's basically like
Faceless.
smooth,
Yeah.
some completely smooth, white. Okay, he's wearing like a suit, pinstripe suit, long, lanky fellow with fingers that become tentacles because he kidnaps like children and all if they are wandering around in the woods.
8-year-old children
8-year-old
go
children.
go to
Wandering around.
collect the ball.
Wandering around the
Collect
woods.
balls
So
and then leave their own
Yeah.
there.
so the legend actually, so there have been actual in real life.
Hmm.
There have been consequences because of this story being out there. Firstly, there have been movies and all made, okay, about
Yeah.
this. There are video games made about this. But a few years back, I want to say like 2012, 2013 or something, there was an instance where 2 girls, okay, like toddlers, like not toddlers, sorry, like in like 2nd, 3rd standard, okay, 2nd, 3rd grade, killed a 3rd friend of theirs. The 2 of them together killed the 3rd friend of theirs. And when asked why did you do it by the authorities, they said the Slender Man made us do it. So like real world repercussions has had. Whatever make of that what you will, but that is insane that happens. Anything else that you guys want to say? Because then I can get into my main story for today.
I have 2 very like small stories. They're not even stories, 2 instances that happened with me. Again, these are not like very, very scary things, but like weird things that happened. The first is that I must have been, I think, about same age, I think 8 or 9 years old, when our family went to Hyderabad for.
साली उम्र ही कष्ट है
हाँ,
भाई 8 साल की 7 के बाद सीधा इंसान को 9 का होना चाहिए.
या so थोड़ा बस 10-11 साल
It's like
का
a
होगा
hotel
शायद.
skip 13.
So I must have been slightly older, 10, 11 or whatever. So we went to Hyderabad for घूमने के लिए.
बिरयानी.
Biryani also, yes. So it was me, my mother, my sister, and a cousin sister of mine. Okay.
Okay.
We were there at some old fort. I don't remember which one, but it was one of those very old forts, and we had like we wanted to spend the whole day there. तो lunch time हुआ and we were carrying food with us. Okay. तो ये था कि भाई क्या करें कहाँ खाएं, तो उसी फोर्ट में एक पुरानी सी मस्जिद बनी हुई थी, ठीक है. तो ये था कि चलो यहाँ, बट इट वाज अ डिलैपिडेटेड मॉस्क, लाइक दे वर नॉट एक्टिवली, प्रेयर्स वर नॉट हैपनिंग देयर. तो एट द एंट्रेंस ऑफ द मॉस्क वाज आल्सो लाइक अ सीनिक व्यू. सो माय मॉम वाज लाइक यहीं बिछा के खा लेते हैं और मतलब व्हेन विल रैप अप. So once we started, we were sitting at the entrance of the mosque. We started eating. We realized there was one old man inside praying. तो ऐसा था कि एक्टिव प्रेयर्स नहीं होती हैं अगर.
What time of the day is it?
आफ्टरनून, जो 1 PM वाली जो प्रेयर होती है.
Okay.
तो वहाँ पे एक्टिवली प्रेयर नहीं हो रही थी, बट वैसा है कि मस्जिद होती है तो कई लोग चले जाते हैं पढ़ने के लिए नमाज. ओल्ड गाय इज प्रेइंग, ओके ठीक है नमाज पढ़ रहे हैं. फिर हम लोग खाना खाने लगे, बातें करने लगे. फिर हम लोगों ने रियलाइज़ किया कि वो अंकल, वो जो बूढ़े बुजुर्ग थे, वो दिख ही नहीं रहे हैं और हम लोग एंट्रेंस पे बैठे हुए थे. यानी वहाँ से निकलने का और कोई रास्ता था ही नहीं.
Wait. You're saying he was praying there?
When we started eating,
Okay.
he was already praying inside.
Okay, got it.
Okay, so we're like, okay, so old guy is praying, and we started eating, talking to each other. Then we realized
Then you try to look back and you can't find him.
yeah, because when someone's praying, again in the side of your corner of your eye, you can feel कि हाँ movement is happening. Suddenly we realize movement is not happening.
Okay.
We turned and look, he wasn't there, and it was a really small prayer room kind of a mosque. The only place to go in and come out was where we were sitting and eating, and we did not see him leave. And it was 4 of us, like me, my mother, my sister, and another cousin of mine. None of us
Man, that is
had
crazy.
any inkling of him leaving. And it's an old guy. It's not like वो फट करके चले गए होंगे. If he would walk slowly, we would notice. That's one. दूसरा है हम लोग एक बार गोवा गए हुए थे.
ये गोवा में नहीं हो सकता.
नहीं सुन
गोवा में नहीं हो सकता.
with our music teacher who was from Goa. Okay. तो वो पुराने गोवा में ले गए हमको.
मिस्टर बेंजामिन.
No, Mr.
Very close.
So our music teacher took us, I think some 7-8 of us, and he took us inside old Goa, जहाँ कहीं जगह स्ट्रीट लाइट्स भी नहीं हैं, बहुत सारी झाड़ियाँ हैं, सब कुछ पुराना गोवा. तो वहाँ पे ना वो बोले थे कि अच्छा ये जो रास्ता आ रहा है ना, हमें कब्रिस्तान से गुजरना होगा, यहाँ दूसरा रास्ता है ही नहीं, वी हैव टू गो थ्रू दैट. लाइक ओके. अब हम लोग चल रहे हैं, सडनली लाइट चली गई, ठीक है, जो
कब्रिस्तान के अंदर.
हाँ मतलब पीछे छोटी मोटी जो घरों की लाइट्स में जली थी, सब चली गई. और उस टाइम पे ना मुझे बड़ा स्टाइल था ये क्रॉस पहनने का, अपने गले में मैं क्रॉस पहनूंगा, कूल लगता. आई थिंक जोश आई थी तभी. तो मेरे को ये था कि भाई
You used to live in Goa during that time?
No, we went on a picnic trip, जो भी कह लो,
Okay.
with our music teacher. We were very close to our music teacher, so he took us there. तो जब बस वो हम लोग चल रहे हैं तो एक टाइम पे ना मेरा जो क्रॉस है ना वो पीछे जो मेरे चल रहा था उसके शर्ट में अटक गया.
Okay, then you shouldn't be
So,
kissing him, no?
Yeah, but I was trying to. So कि like oh shit ये मेरा क्रॉस अटक गया शायद, तो निकाल लेते हैं. तो निकाला, हम लोग आगे बढ़े फिर एक मोमेंट के बाद लाइट वापस आ गई. ठीक है. Our music teacher was like, okay, now we have crossed the graveyard. So he said, he turned to me and was like, okay, I didn't want to tell you this before, but that, remember back there, your cross got entangled in your friend's shirt? I was like, yeah. I was like, that was just as we were about to enter the graveyard. And the light also had gone just before that. And as soon as we crossed, and by the way, I realized the cross was not there. It fell down there.
Oh, okay.
My cross got entangled in my friend's shirt, and because अंधेरा था, दिख नहीं रहा था, उसने निकाला तो मुझे लगा कि वो निकल गया है, but the cross fell there. When I came out, I realized it was only the chain. The cross had fallen.
भाई
Maybe you should have gone back and get it.
No, thank you.
throw the ball, hit the tree, get the bats.
So yeah, this is a very quintessentially Goan Catholic story, but it is.
Yeah, wow, dude.
I have one more, but I want one of you to say before I come to that story.
Snehal,
are you with us?
bro, मेरे को ऐसा लगा, मैं कहा भाई कहीं चलते चलते क्रॉस उल्टा हो गया हो. भाई मैंने ना जिंदगी में एक हॉरर फिल्म देखी है, वो है राज.
हाँ.
बिपाशा बासु, डीनो मौर्य, आशुतोष राणा. भाई जब वो नींबू लाल होता है
जो
ना,
भी कसम खाई थी
हमने
भाई वो नींबू जो लाल होता है, मैं क्या भाई, मैं आज तक पता रात को अगर मतलब कभी ऐसा हो ना कि जैसे अगर अब जैसे रात को मूवी देख रहे हैं, लेट देख रहे हैं, फ्लैटमेट सो गया या फ्लैटमेट है नहीं, ठीक है, अब मूवी देख रहे हैं, स्नैकिंग कर रहे हैं, मूवी देखते देखते भाई ब्रश करने जाता हूँ ना, मैं शीशे में नहीं देख पाता, मेरी गांड फट जाती है.
okay.
राजगांव वाला सीन याद है जब वो शीशे में दिखती है पीछे वो उसकी अम्मा खड़ी होती है, भाई मैं नहीं देख पाता भाई. कभी लिटरली कभी मेरे साथ ऐसा होता है कि मैं इधर देख के ब्रश करता हूँ शीशे में, मेरे को ना देख.
पर वो तो बहुत पुराना ट्रोप है ना, जब
Correct.
खोला तो कुछ नहीं था, बंद किया तो
Exactly.
कोल्ड ओपन मिल गया guys, cold open मिल गया. All the Atmas watching this,
एक सेकंड
calm down.
देखो दोस्तों, हम
So many things have gone wrong right
तू
now.
2 बारी फोन आ गया उसको बीच में स्टोरी के. एक बार यू टॉक अबाउट आत्मा पुलिंग यू बैक, योर चेयर गेट्स पुल्ड बैक. व्हाट द फक डूड. आपने टी शर्ट भी फ्राइडे द 13th का पहना हुआ है भाई.
Oh, dude.
होली फक डूड, शिट.
तेरे रूम में किसी भगवान की फोटो क्यों नहीं है? अंतरिक्ष सारी बाहर छोड़ दी तूने.
ये ना
क्राइम में
मेरे
एक
भगवान,
क्राइम मास्टर घोघो की फोटो लगी
मेरे
है.
भगवान यार.
डूड मैं तो रोज रात को सोने से पहले हनुमान चालीसा सुनता हूँ भाई, फॉर श्योर.
So I think this is a good point for me to introduce that.
Oh.
मुझे लगा पीछे से आत्मा लेकर आ रहा है.
Talk about like not having God photos, but books, horror story books, Goosebumps.
Goosebumps,
I have a
yes.
massive collection, and this is even not the entire collection.
And these are not for sale, guys. Okay.
These are not for sale.
Yeah.
These are just for show off. Thank you.
आराम से,
Wow.
आराम से.
Nice. Well,
Tales of horror guys, la
Tales
la.
of horror. Yes. अभी तेरे साथ होंगी.
Bro, just fuck off.
So this is literally my massive collection of mostly Goosebumps and other horror related tales.
Goosebumps के साथ एक
Yeah.
और आया कर दी थी याद है, Fear Street. उसके
Fear
ऊपर
Street.
Netflix ने सीरीज भी बनाई है.
Dude, Fear Street also I used to have. My mom has given some of them away over the years.
Oh.
I used to have more. So one of my favorite Goosebumps is not here. I used to have the Headless Ghost. Was one of my favorite Goosebumps, but it's not here. But some of these are really good. Like this one, The Haunted Mask 2 is really nice. About a dude who wears a haunted mask. Say Cheese and Die Again is great.
It's a great
Anyone,
title.
this person, this kid, and there was a. So this is the sequel book in the sense like because the first
Show
book
it,
Say Cheese and Die Again.
Show it to the camera.
Yeah. So Say Cheese and Die was the first book. Say Cheese and Die
Oh,
Again.
Die Again. Okay.
Say Cheese and Die Again is the second one.
Why is he still saying cheese? Stop saying cheese.
So the thing is, it's about a camera, about a kid.
ये सिंघम again नहीं हो गया.
But they copied or Singham copied it. So basically, it's about a kid who catches who finds a camera, okay, like while playing one day randomly, and anyone whose photo he takes with it
It
dies.
Oh, fuck.
Okay, that's crazy for a book.
ऐसी इस पे पिक्चर भी नहीं होनी है.
हाँ
हो
मुझे
सकता
भी ऐसा लग रहा
I
है
think ये 13B का plot है.
नहीं,
क्यों?
नहीं.
नहीं.
नहीं
13B, the
आर्मा
John Cusack movie.
नहीं आर्मा.
आर्मा
14
oh
होएगा
that
शायद.
that movie also I've watched
14 it is based
Great
on
film.
a
बहुत अच्छी
Stephen
लगती है
King
मुझे
story.
13B.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I've seen season die also. This is the first one. So cool. How awesome is this, dude?
yeah.
The
Sell it.
artwork and all for kids. This artwork is
It's pretty
crazy,
gruesome.
dude. It was very scary as a kid. I used to love this shit. Let's get invisible. Phantom.
Oh,
of the
this
Auditorium.
one I had gotten as वो जो मैंने बोला था ना ऐसे राइटिंग में मुझे मिला था एक.
This is falling apart the book
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
what
it's
I've had them for
decades
years.
old.
Yeah. All right. चलो ठीक है.
मतलब एक so I was talking to this friend of mine we were having this like वो नहीं होता bonfire के अराउंड बैठ के कहानियां सुना रहे होते हैं
डरना मनाए का प्रेमिस.
डरना मनाए का प्रेमिस बेसिकली. तो हम लोग ऐसे ही अपना ऑफिस के बाद एक दिन ऑफिस वालों के साथ मैं चिल कर रहा था एंड देन दिस गर्ल गोज कि सो लाइक वन ऑफ हर नेबरहुड में वन ऑफ द फैमिलीज बेसिकली bought this one huge bungalow of sorts in Rajasthan.
Okay.
ठीक है एंड सो उनको बहुत चीप प्राइस पे मिल गया. लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल लाइक इट वाज लिस्टेड फॉर अ वाइल एंड उनको वो मिल गया. ठीक है एंड दे वर वेरी हैप्पी विद दिस ये वो एंड वाओ एज आई टेल दिस मेरे को यहाँ पे पीछे से वो हो रहा है गूस बम्स ऑफ सॉर्ट्स. एनीवे तो अपनी माँ मच
Randomly.
एनीवे सो उन्होंने वो घर वर ले लिया. ठीक है एंड उसके बाद सो there was this one girl in this in the house who used to always stay cranky in the family. ठीक है छोटी लड़की वो जब से वो घर में मूव हुए ना वो बहुत क्रैंकी रहती थी हमेशा से. तो वो जो उसकी मम्मी बड़ी परेशान क्या है रोती रहती है ठीक तो थी पता नहीं क्या हुआ है ये हुआ है. तो ये सब हो रहा है एंड एक दिन सडनली शी सेड कि मुझे इस घर में रहना ही नहीं है. लाइक
How old is this girl?
वेरी यंग छोटी. ठीक है लाइक मुझे इस घर में रहना ही नहीं है. एंड देन दे आर लाइक क्या हो गया है भाई अभी तो नया घर लिया. शी लाइक नहीं एंड शी रन्स आउट ऑफ द हाउस एंड शी इज लाइक आई एम नॉट कमिंग इन. एंड पूरी कोशिश कर ली कि ठीक है बाहर ही रहे ये वो सच में बाहर ही रही वो अंदर नहीं आई. देन लाइक अब वो नहीं होता कि पड़ोसी के घर जाके रुक जाओ कि भाई ये तो अंदर ही नहीं आ रही वो अंदर ही ना आए भाई वो अंदर ही ना आए. एंड देन दे बेसिकली कनेक्टेड विद द पीपल हु सोल्ड द हाउस टू देम. लाइक कि क्या चल रहा है लाइक जब ये एनर्जीज जो हैं वो थोड़ी ख़राब चल रही हैं यहाँ की. एंड दे आर लाइक नहीं हमने आपको एकदम घर ठीक दिया है डोंट कम एट अस. क्योंकि कभी उनका लाइट ख़राब हो रहा है कभी उनका चीज़ें ख़राब हो रही कभी ये ख़राब हो रही वो ख़राब हो रही. एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंस इज उनके जो पड़ोसी वड़ोसी हैं वो मना के उस लड़की को वापस घर के अंदर लेकर आते हैं. एंड देन देर इज दिस वन स्पॉट शी इज एंटरिंग there's this one spot where she falls down and starts crying. रोने ही लग जाती है वहाँ पे. एंड दे आर भाई मेरे को बोलते बोलते वो लग रहा है
बोल.
ठीक है. सो वहाँ पे रोने लग जाती है. ठीक है एंड रो रही है एंड नोबडी इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि अब ना वो स्पॉट से हट रही है ना वो बाहर जा रही है ना वो रोना चुप कर रही है वो रोए जा रही है वहाँ पे. ठीक है एंड पूरा मोहल्ला इकट्ठा हो गया कि क्या हो रहा है चुप क्यों नहीं हो रही वगैरह वगैरह. एंड देन there's this priest that comes and like priest is also part of the mohalla no. And he comes and then he enters the place and then he's like कि I know why she's crying. वो priest उसके सर पे हाथ रखता है वो चुप होती है वो उसको अपने पास बुलाता है वो उसके पास आ जाती है. he does some puja and all there like a very instant thing. ठीक है एंड उस टाइम पे वो स्टोरी बताता है कि इस घर में जिसने ये तुम्हें बेचा है ये वाला घर इस घर में उस फैमिली के किसी बेटी ने इस स्पॉट पे सुसाइड किया था, जिस वजह से इस पूरे घर की एनर्जीज जो हैं वो इसी स्पॉट से नेगेटिव निकल रही हैं. एंड दैट्स वाई दिस गर्ल इज सो प्योर, शी इज सो यंग, शी इज सो गुड हार्टेड, शी इज सो प्योर दैट शी इज द ओनली वन who's able to sense these energies, and that's why she's not able to like live here peacefully. That's why she's been cranky, and that's why this was
just tell her to lie once in life. You'll be solved, bro.
this is the spot जिसमें वो आके वो वहाँ पे सुसाइड किया था. एंड दैट्स वाई जब वो आई वो आपको बताना चाह रही थी कि इस जगह पे प्रॉब्लम है. एंड देन उन्होंने पूरा प्रे व्रे किया, पूजा वूजा किया, एंड देन वो लड़की जो है वो थोड़ी शांत हुई, बट दे इवेंचुअली सोल्ड द हाउस एंड वेंट, एंड देन दे हैड टू इवेंचुअली डिमोलिश द प्लेस.
I've always
But
wondered
would you,
this,
yeah, would you
exactly.
buy, like, would you move in to a place where somebody killed themselves?
I mean, kill themselves. the
In
prices-
Bombay, yeah,
That's the thing.
the
If
rent
prices
is
go low,
rent is less.
yeah, if rent or prices go low because someone killed themselves in
Yeah.
the house, I might consider it.
Of course, yeah, even I
Yeah.
would move in.
Yeah. But the thing is, like, if I moved in, okay, if I moved in without knowing the fact that someone had killed themselves or it's whatever, supposedly haunted, and then after moving in, if some shit has been happening, then I get told, like in every movie it happens, oh, you know, in this, in
yeah,
this
yeah,
house,
yeah,
this
yeah.
used to be like a burial ground for like,
Yeah.
the ancients or whatever, right?
Yeah.
If I find that shit out, I'm gone, dude. Instantly. Because I already sensed something. Plus, you're telling me this is actually a thing that happened. These two things cannot be related to me, you know? I mean, sorry, these two things have to be related to me. This can't be a coincidence anymore. So I'm out of there for sure. If that happens, I'm out of there.
But how weird is weird? Like if the electricity is flickering,
No, that's
fine. Yeah, I know, right?
Electricity flickering is
पानी नहीं आ रहा है,
BMC.
electricity नहीं
That's
है.
BMC problem.
उसको देख कितना सीरियस बैठा.
भाई कैसी बातें कैसी कर रहे हो आप लोग, मैं तो दूर दूर तक छू भी ना भाई.
If someone has died in the house, you're not gonna rent that house.
भाई आई एम टू फट्टू.
यार मेरी माँ यही बोलती थी कि बम्बई में इंसानों को रहने की जगह इतनी भूत कहाँ से आएगा. तो फिर
देखो अब सोशल कमेंट्री तो करने की जरूरत है नहीं, ठीक है.
do you have one like a real incident? I have one small one which is
A
like
real
really
incident I don't have.
really
I have a
freaky.
story that I would like to share.
Okay, so hold on to it.
Yeah.
So the school I used to go in,
Go to.
was a school Kalyan.
Okay.
Huge property, कुछ 5-5.5 एकड़ की पूरा स्कूल था.
Okay.
And it wasn't like a school building जो अक्सर महाराष्ट्र में जो होता है. It was like a Delhi school, like a proper building with space and everything. But it was very inside, ठीक है. और उसी के सामने एक बिल्डिंग थी, कॉलेज की बिल्डिंग, जो बिरला कॉलेज था.
आई लव हाउ अंदर जाके अब बहुत ही अंदर जाके बोलना था उसको, एंड ही इज लाइक वेरी इनसाइड.
तो हर स्कूल की तरह स्कूल की भूत की कहानियां तो
Of course,
थी ही कि
yeah.
यहाँ पे 2 कहानियां थी कि यहाँ पे पीछे की तरफ एक प्ले एरिया था छोटे बच्चों के लिए. तो वहाँ कहते थे कि रात को 2 औरतें घूमती हैं सफ़ेद साड़ी में. क्यों घूमती क्या घूमती पता नहीं. और एक कहा जाता था स्कूल के निकलते साथ ही एक जंगल का एरिया था, कहा जाता था कि वहाँ एक सर कटा आदमी घूमता है. ओके, सर कटे का आतंक, ठीक है.
Oh, wow.
तो लेकिन उसका सर नहीं है, बस धड़ घूमता रहता है.
Headless ghost.
हाँ.
Goosebumps.
तो ये कहानियां इतनी आउट ऑफ ये थी कि हम लोग बच्चे लोग भी बोलते अबे क्या पागल बना रहे हो. बट देन
Did he like was he supposed to be riding a horse or something?
आई थिंक सो यार. हैव यू हर्ड दिस स्टोरी
I've
बिफोर?
heard about
हाँ,
it,
समथिंग
yeah.
लाइक दैट. बट देन व्हाट हैपेंड वाज
एक मूवी में भी तो है एक
Yeah,
बिना
that's
सर का
same.
आदमी जो घोड़ा चला.
Same,
होगा,
same,
होगा.
same. That's a Sleepy Hollow में movie में joined up. And then there are various versions of this. Yeah.
फिर एक दिन क्या हुआ, सुबह हम लोग भिवंडी से जाते थे कल्याण, बस आती थी. बस स्कूल जब लेके गई तो स्कूल के गेट पे प्रिंसिपल सर और सारी टीचर्स खड़ी हुई थी. और प्रिंसिपल सर गेट से इशारा कर रहे थे, टर्न बैक द बस, टेक देम बैक होम. अब बच्चे कंफ्यूज, क्या हो रहा है ये, प्रिंसिपल सर कभी देखा नहीं, गेट पे खड़े होकर वापस भेज रहे हैं और ऐसे भी भीड़ जमा हुई है. क्या हो गया क्या. फिर हम लोगों को पता चला कि स्कूल में पिछले रात चोरी हुई थी और वॉचमैन अंकल को मार दिया उन लोगों ने. ठीक है, दे स्ट्रैंगल्ड हिम, दे मर्डर्ड हिम. ओके.
Oh the fuck.
Yeah, it was a huge thing. The school was shut for 3 days and like all the students were shocked and everything. उसके बाद से कहा जाता है कि वॉचमैन अंकल की आत्मा जो है वो अभी भी घूमा करती है स्कूल के
जागते रहो.
स्कूल के प्रेमाइसेस में. तो ये 9th स्टैंडर्ड में जब हम लोग थे ये
But
हुआ
is it
था.
supposed to be a helpful ghost or a scary ghost?
आई हैव नो आइडिया. बट उसके बाद फिर हम लोग पूरी तरह पूरे दिलो जान से बिलीव करने लगे कि ये है. So the watchman uncle was very sweet and very nice, and it was really tragic that he lost his life.
You knew him?
But yeah. So,
Shit,
yeah, like that was one really shocking incident. और उसके बाद से obviously like अब तो हमने सच में पता है कि premises में किसी की जान गई है. So but it the story was that he went out with a fight, like he fought the burglars, and in that struggle he happened to lose his life. तो इसके पहले ट्रिगर वार्निंग डाल देना भाई थोड़ा कि थोड़ा मर्डर की, थोड़ा नहीं पूरा ही मर्डर का इंसिडेंट है. बट एनीवे दैट्स वन creepy thing that happened. Like it's not a ghost story,
No,
but
but
it's
yeah,
a
it's a
shocking incident.
भाई
that
ऐसा
happened.
So like,
creepy story मैं बताऊँ, मैं ऐसा एक मेरे साथ हुआ था, burglary आपने बात
हाँ,
करी.
हाँ.
भाई हम लोग में दिल्ली में, सो हम रजौरी गार्डन करके एक बहुत फेमस
हाँ,
मार्केट
पता
है,
है,
ठीक है. सो मैं पूरी फैमिली के साथ हम लोग रजौरी गार्डन में अपना मस्त शॉपिंग वॉपिंग कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. वापस आए, हम लोग ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे रहते थे तब, ठीक है. हम लोग वापस आए एंड मेरी बहन बहुत छोटी है, आई थिंक शी वाज 6-7 नहीं 7, हाँ 6-7, ठीक है. एंड मम्मी से घर की चाबी ली, लाइक मैं खोलूँगी दरवाज़ा मैं खोलूँगी. तो वो हमने बोला अच्छा ले तू जा, हमारे हाथ में सामान है, तू खोल के रख दरवाज़ा, हम ताकि अंदर आके फटाफट सामान रखें. हाँ उसने दरवाज़ा खोला, खोल के वो अंदर अपने रूम में गई और भाग के बाहर आई. एंड शी इज लाइक मम्मी अंदर ना अंकल बैठे हैं एक. एंड मतलब हम भागे अंदर कि कौन है भाई के अंदर. एंड वी सॉ समवन गेट, सो क्या किया था किसी ने, एसी का डक्ट था ना, वो पूरा एसी निकाल लिया बाहर, और वो एसी का पूरा जो खिड़की खुली बन गई, अब हमारा जो वॉल एसी था वहां से अंदर आ गए. एंड देवर हमारी अलमारियां खोल के बैठे हुए थे और वो कर रहे थे, क्या कहते हैं, कपड़े देख रहे थे कि क्या है क्या नहीं है. ब्रो द स्केरियस्ट पार्ट कि उनको हमारे लॉकर की चाबी मिल गई थी.
Oh fuck, dude.
चाबी उनके हाथ, चाबी बेड पे पड़ी हुई थी when my sister walked in and she walked out and very innocently she's like मम्मी अंदर कोई अंकल
Dude,
बैठे हैं.
but she walked in and like she maybe ran out or she walked
Yeah,
out.
no
Did they see her? See that?
yeah
They must have.
तभी
Yeah.
तो उन्होंने मेरी बहन को देखा तो वो बाहर भागे कि ये लोग तो आ गए हैं
उसी गैप से.
उसी गैप से, और मेरी बहन बाहर भागी कि मम्मी अंदर कोई बैठा है.
Man, I think about these things, okay? Like because these things can turn ugly so fast.
Yeah.
You know, because if the
Yeah,
thief
dude.
would have thought that they're cornered, they would have resorted to violence and shit.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
तो वो
Man, insane.
एग्जैक्टली, सो हमने भी फिर बाद में यही किया कि ये बहुत वो होंगे, क्या कहते हैं, बहुत ही
नौसिखिया,
नौसिखिए टाइप्स
Yeah,
होंगे.
ये कच्चा खिलाड़ी. ये तो कच्चा खिलाड़ी.
Like they saw the family come in and they just
they bolted,
like
हाँ.
बाहर भाग गए. But dude, so creepy, dude.
Dude, absolutely. So, so my towards the end of my grandparents' lives, they used to live with us in Bombay for most of the year, and then like 2, 3, 4 months के लिए they would go back to Delhi, which is their house in Delhi. Okay, and once my granddad had to rush back because he got a call from the neighbors कि वो आपके घर पे चोरियां हो गई हैं. Okay, आपके दिल्ली के घर में चोरी हो गई है. I'm like, oh shit, what did they take? He said, आप ज़्यादा कुछ मिला नहीं उनको, वो जो भी दारू की बोतलें मिली वो लेके चले गए. Such a Delhi.
Priorities are set, bro.
Like इतनी मेहनत करके जब घर में घुसे ही हैं तो
कुछ
हुआ तो
आया
नहीं है
हूँ,
कम
कुछ
से
तो
कम.
लेके जाऊंगा, खानदानी चोर हूँ मैं, खानदानी हो गया मुँह का भतीजा. Go. One more is another similar thing is so we remember this monkey man thing,
Yeah.
which is going around Delhi.
Yes.
Right? Did you must have heard a lot of stories.
For मेरे को लगा you must have been the monkey man.
The monkey man stories were going around, right? So I used to live in Delhi around that time. I was like, first 7 years of my life I was in
Oh,
Delhi.
really?
Yeah. For 7 years of my life I was in Delhi. So like around when I was 5 years old or something.
Monkey man thing happened like in the early 2000s, right?
Yeah, this is early 2000, like late 90s. I was
Oh,
there.
अच्छा, okay.
Late 90s, early 2000s.
So monkey man वाली चीज 2-3 बार हो चाहिए.
Okay.
हाँ.
क्योंकि दिल्ली 6 में भी उन्होंने बताया उस टाइम पे भी.
हाँ
थोड़ा-
वही कह रहा हूँ,
Correct,
monkey man वाली चीज 2-3
No,
बार हो
De-
चाहिए.
Delhi 6 में तो it was much before Delhi 6. Delhi 6
हाँ,
was
that's what,
just
yeah,
it was just
दिल्ली में एक चुड़ैल चीज भी आई थी, बताऊंगा मैं आपको उसके बारे
Okay.
में.
तो during there was like a stretch of like 2 months in
The way he said चुड़ैल I think क्या चीज थी भाई बताऊंगा आपको. चुड़ैल जी, if you are listening, we don't mean no offense.
so during
You
the
don't be listening, bro.
when I was around 5 years of age,
Sorry. हाँ.
during that time there was like a 2-month stretch where repeatedly the letter boxes of all the houses in the neighborhood would just burst. Like it seemingly was that someone would have placed, you know, those tiny atom
Explosive,
bombs, tiny
हाँ,
explosives,
हाँ,
like
हाँ.
जो भी surti bombs, whatever we use in Diwali, put them inside the thing and light them, and then the thing bursts, like,
Yeah.
because obviously, right? It became a regular rumor that Monkey Man was doing this in the neighborhood.
Oh.
Yeah, it became a regular thing. It was like a known, almost like a known that inside joke बोल दो या जो भी inside belief बोल दो that the Monkey Man was going.
चिट्ठियों से क्या दुश्मनी थी उसकी?
हाँ?
चिट्ठियों से क्या दुश्मनी?
Like email भेजो.
I mean, maybe he's not functioning at a full 100%, dude. His analytical skills are down.
Bro, so Monkey Man के साथ साथ ना, जब मैं साथ नहीं, मतलब उसके कुछ समय बाद मैं I think I was below 10 for sure.
But wait,
ठीक है.
what stories have you heard of Monkey Man though? Like,
Monkey Man
in
की कोई
Delhi?
कहानी नहीं सुनी मैंने.
नहीं? Okay.
So there was this one rumor that दिल्ली में एक चुड़ैल खुली घूम रही है, ठीक है, and so now it's sounding funny.
नहीं.
उस टाइम पे it was a thing bro, thing and a half actually, and there was this rumor going around उस टाइम का WhatsApp forward कि अपने घर के बाहर आपकी जो घर की औरत है, लाइक आपके घर में जो भी फीमेल है, द वुमन ऑफ योर हाउस बेसिकली अपने हाथ को हल्दी वाले पानी में डिप करके अपने दोनों हाथ का इम्प्रेशन अपने दरवाजे पे लगाए, एंड फिर उन्हीं हाथों को मतलब वो धो के वही मेहंदी में डिप करें और मेहंदी से वो प्रिंट लगाएं. तो बेसिकली
तो हल्दी और
मेहंदी के प्रिंट हो गए बेसिकली. वो प्रिंट अगर आप दरवाजे पे लगाओ तो आप
शादी हो रही है
सेफ, तो आप सेफ हो.
हाँ, और ऊपर लिख
ठीक
दो
है.
स्त्री का लाना.
और तरीका लाना एग्जैक्टली.
I just found out something about that story.
तो
yeah.
सुनो तो हाँ, even I found out that. I also read that article. Anyway, so ये हुआ, and ये मुझे कहीं से पता लग गया for some reason. पता नहीं कैसे पता लगा, फोन व्हाट्सएप तो था नहीं, ठीक है. एंड मैं घर आया स्कूल से, एंड पापा घर पे ही थे. एंड डूड आई रिमेंबर, लाइक वो होता है ना, कुछ विजुअल्स आपके बचपन से आपके माइंड में रह जाते हैं. आई हैव दिस विजुअल वेयर आई एम sitting in front of the door from the inside of the house, and I'm like, आप नहीं जाओगे बाहर, आपको चुड़ैल ले जाएगी. ठीक है. एंड माई डैड इज लाइक, अरे भाई मेरे को काम पे जाने दे, मेरी शॉप है, मुझे संभालना है, बिजनेस है. मैंने कहा नहीं, आप नहीं जाओगे, जब चुड़ैल चली जाए दिल्ली से तो ही आप जाओगे, नहीं तो आप नहीं जाओगे. And then I remember this line also that I said, and my dad says, अरे भाई जाने दे, मेरी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डील है आज, मेरा बहुत नुकसान हो जाएगा. And to which I reply, नहीं आप बाहर जाओगे तो हमारी फैमिली का बहुत नुकसान हो जाएगा.
Dialogue मार रहा है तो यार.
Was this before the ball वाला incident or after?
No, this was after, for sure. This was after.
Okay.
This was after. This was not
So
before
the
the
rational snail is
ball.
already
Rational
dead.
से snail is dead. वो खर्च खत्म, वो उसी वहां पे कहीं लटका हुआ होगा उल्टा.
ये इसकी बॉम्बे में जो वर्जन था इसका जो पॉपुलर हुआ था, वो एक 3 मुंडी वाली चुड़ैल कहा जाता था कि हाँ, कि उसकी 3 सिर हैं और वो घंटी बजा के आपसे पानी मांगती है.
Oh yes,
हाँ, और आप
ये
जब-
दिल्ली में भी था.
तो उस टाइम पे उसकी एक ही वो होता है,
हाँ.
सर होता है. फिर आप पानी लेके आते हो, जब खोलते हो देने के लिए तो उसके 3 सर हो जाते हैं और फिर वो आपको मार देती है. उसका भी कुछ ऐसा था कि बाल बांध के खोलो और ऐसे
हाँ, you're right.
इसके
दिल्ली में भी
ऊपर
था ये.
हम 5 ने भी एक एपिसोड किया था इसके
really?
ऊपर. आया 3 मुंडी
okay.
वाली चुड़ैल.
Okay. So talking about Stree, right?
Yeah.
Coming to Stree, apparently it is a legend that exists.
Yeah.
In Karnataka,
Yeah.
in some village in Karnataka, where outside their house people do write Kalana in their local language. They write Kalana, which is meant for the local witch or chudel.
Local witch, you said, right? Okay.
Yeah,
He
yeah,
also heard the same.
Yeah. You
But then
both
if you-
heard witch only.
Yeah, we
But
heard
it's
it.
just because it's close to the viewers.
If you know what Kalana is in Kannada, please write it in the comments so that
I think it's Le Ban or Le Bai or something like that.
I doubt it because I have lived in Karnataka, but
No.
maybe I'm wrong.
That's not it. No,
Anyway.
maybe that's what I read. That's what I loosely remember reading about.
Yeah, even I read this article. Dude, it was scary.
This only, right?
Yeah, this same article, yes.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So there is one more story that I feel is not something that happened to any of us, but it's a very fascinating. Yeah, it's a very fascinating.
Fuck you, Abbas. Fuck you, Antarij. Fuck you, everybody. हम क्यों कर रहे हैं एपिसोड? Fuck you, सुशांत.
क्या टाइम क्या हो रहा है? Like
Yeah.
it's like what
11:30.
11:40 हो रहा भाई.
हाँ, बस 12 बजे हमको घर जाना है अकेले और क्या.
Correct, हाँ.
Anyway, go ahead.
तो
तू तो इधर ही रहता है, तुझे क्या है?
कह रहा है यार राइट.
यार पर
कमरे तक जा रहा है.
इसी कमरे में बातें हो रही है ना ऐसा. So the things will stay.
Yeah.
तो there
I think I should tell my flatmate so you मत buy please.
yeah, fair enough. So this is a creepypasta story.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you guys heard of the Russian sleep experiment?
I think from you only.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I haven't.
Yeah.
So this is a story that dates back to 1947 during the Second World War.
Okay.
Second World War was going on.
No, 47 कैसे? 45 में खत्म हो गई थी.
Okay, so after Second World War. I'll do that again.
Ah.
Okay. So this story comes from the year 1947, right after the Second World War. So the Nazi camps have ended. Germany is this thing.
Defeated,
I think this is now the next thing will be the Cold War.
Okay.
Right after this, because almost immediately after the Second World War, the Cold War started. So Russia is trying to defeat Germany and Japan and US and all these other things, especially in the science division, right? Russian scientists and doctors, they say scientists mostly, right? They came up supposedly with a gas with the intention of eradicating the need to sleep in a person. So if they gave you the gas, you would be basically you don't need sleep anymore. You don't need to sleep.
ये चाहिए मुझे. मेरी watch
Exactly.
list बहुत लंबी हो गई है.
Because
आपको out of everything आपको watch list
Yeah.
complete करने के लिए.
I'm not able to watch everything I want because I have to sleep also.
so that's what. So it would be great, especially for
Yeah.
soldiers and all, right?
Yeah.
And people who want to finish their watch list.
yeah. इसको लगा Netflix
Binge watch
बोलेगा
for
अभी.
binge watching. Yeah, totally.
So
Anyway.
so that's what. So they've invented this gas, and
The Russians.
the Russians,
Okay,
the Russian scientists, they invented this
okay.
gas, and now they want to test it.
Huh.
Does it actually work how we think it should work?
Oh
right?
fuck, it's one of those. Huh.
So they want to test it.
Uh,
They chosen as the test subjects for this are 5 already incarcerated inmates. Okay, who are like some kind of like political enemies of the state or
Prisoners,
something,
huh.
political prisoners of the state or something like
yeah,
that. Okay, and they were told that if you can, on this gas, if you can manage to not sleep for 30 days, you will be freed. They had been lied to, okay, that they would be freed because they had no intentions
Right.
of actually releasing these people.
Right.
But they've been lied to, if you take a part in this experiment and you are awake for 30 days, you will be free. Okay, so they all took part with this in mind. So they put them up in like this room kind of situation where they would observe people from. Now, उन दिनों camera technology इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी, is what the
story
goes.
says,
That's how
yeah.
the story goes. Since camera technologies weren't that great, all they had to monitor these people were audio instruments, like mics and all in the room, and also basically windows that you can see into the room too. Like you've seen like these in movies,
Yeah.
they show
Yeah.
how where the scientists that circle thing,
correct.
right? So it's like a very thick glass, but you can see through it basically. They had stocked the room up with a month of supplies for 5 people. Okay, so like ample food, ample water, whatever you'll need. Okay, and so whatever they would need, basically it was there in that room. They get those 5 people in there. They start pumping that room with gas. They are monitoring the oxygen levels in the room to be able to. So basically, they know that if this much oxygen is being consumed, that means there are 5 people in this room. If this is the number of oxygen being used, means there are 6 people in this room or 3 people in this room, whatever you have, right? Everything is fine for the first, say, 4 days. Okay, 4 days stuck. These guys are awake. They are breathing in this gas that is being pumped into the room. Their oxygen levels are fine. Okay, and they are making conversation with each other and everything. And everything seems to be fine. From the 5th day onwards, things start going awry. Okay, they start. Suddenly, there is like absolute silence in the room. Nobody's talking at all. Okay, if they do talk, they are talking very close to the mic with the intention of like selling out one of their other 4
Okay.
people, like complaining about them in a way, or like seemingly it seems like the story goes that the way they are phrasing their critique of their other fellow inmates is making it seem like they are trying to win the favor of the people who are conducting this test.
Right.
Okay, oh dude, I am the only one who can actually do this. These guys are all fucking no. Okay, like that kind of shit.
Big boss, big boss, big boss.
Big boss
bhai,
चाहते
bhai
हैं.
conducted this
Yes.
this experiment.
Big boss चाहते हैं कि आप 30 दिन तक सोए ना. And Cyrus not getting sleep for 30 days. So 50 onwards things are going awry. This guy is people are like trying to sell their fellow inmates over and crazy things. Then another 2 days go by. So on the 7th day, one of the guys, okay, again they've not been talking, okay, one of the guys just starts screaming at the top of his lungs and pacing back and forth, running back and forth through this room, just like for a good 5 hours. He just does okay, just shouting and going past the room to the point that he ruptured his own vocal cords. Okay, because of his screaming that much. Even after that, he continues to scream the best he can, and but only like he only like rasp after his vocal cords have been ruptured. Okay, if you read up this story, it just gets weirder and crazier and crazier, and crazy things are happening.
Okay.
Okay.
Did all of them they didn't survive? I'm assuming.
Yeah, I think one person survived from this entire experiment.
So
like, as a whole.
that means the gas worked.
So that's what. So first, the story goes on to read that at first the scientists are unsure. Okay, are these effects of sleep deprivation or are these effects of our gas?
Okay.
But later on, as they start having conversations with the people over the microphone and all, once they do open the gates and they enter, okay, on I think the 15th day or something. On the morning of the 14th day, the researchers did something they'd said they would not to get a reaction from the captives. They used the intercom inside the chamber, hoping to provoke any response from the people they were afraid were either dead or vegetables. They announced, "We are opening the chamber to test the microphones. Step away from the door and lie flat on the floor or you will be shot." Okay? To their surprise, the one voice that came was a very calm voice, which went, "We no longer want to be freed." Okay? So either these people had become addicted to the gas, or they were like seeing severe hallucinations on the gas, which they wanted to continue seeing. Okay? It goes on to say that they became almost like the way they were talking like devil worshippers or devil people who had seen the devil or believed in the devil. Okay?
So it's a very like ghastly predicament.
It's basically supposed to be for the ghastly aspect of
and
it all.
considering the amount of shit that Russia and America did in secret, I'm sure there must be some root of truth in this. But it's a very scary story. Yes.
There is a
Snehil to
photo.
ekdam abhi-
There is a very scary
there is a
photo.
photo.
दिखाना भी मत.
There is a very scary
इस
photo
तरफ
that is
मुंह करना भी मत.
That
बस
is
सोना ही है
accompanied.
इसके बाद और क्या है?
that is accompanied with this
डिनर कर रहा है
story.
यार इसके बाद.
Okay? This is the photo.
Oh yeah, I've seen this photo.
Yes.
That's where this photo's from.
Yes, that is the photo from.
Wow. मत देख तू, तेरे को वो आएंगे, nightmares आएंगे.
Okay? And
This
crazy.
is a surviving person.
Yeah. Also, if it just talking about creepy photos.
Why 8 hours of sleep is important?
Talking about creepy photos or scary photos, there is a very famous photo called Smile Dog. Check that out if you're
Should we
interested.
Google it?
In
Phone
Smile
is
Dog,
brilliant.
we can. And another one that I would recommend is the Smile Dog is great.
वो फोटो देख हाँ
ये
स्नेहिल.
देख दिखा मुझे इसने कर दी चेहरे के आगे. कह रहा देख.
देख रहा है,
इंसाइजर की जगह भी कैनाइन लग रखे हैं उन लोग के. आप तो डेंटिस्ट की पढ़ाई करें, आपको तो पता होगा मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ.
Correct.
For a 1947 photo, it was very high definition. So I have
12 भी बज गए हैं पता रिकॉर्ड करते हुए.
So that
So,
means
yeah.
Friday the 13th. No, we are recording on Wednesday, so it's a
Yeah,
Thursday
yeah.
now.
हाँ
Yeah.
तो now it will be 12th the Thursday.
It is written to the level.
Thursday the 12th.
हाँ Thursday the 12th.
So yeah,
अरे
that was the,
बाप रे.
that was our episode.
Basically, guys, भूत कुछ नहीं होता है, सब वहम है लोगों का. और स्नेहिल जैसे लोग झांसे में आके ऐसे सब.
अभी तुम्हारी चेयर पीछे जाएगी ना फिर से, फिर ये तीनों का कलेक्टिव कांड पड़ेगा. ठीक
That was
है.
crazy, that was
ब्रो
crazy.
तेरे साथ तो रूममेट भी रहता है, मैं तो अकेला रहता हूँ.
मेरा नहीं फ्लैटमेट है, वो अपने कमरे में बैठा होता है भाई.
फ्लैटमेट ही है ना.
हाँ हाँ फ्लैटमेट ही है. इमेजिन तो नहीं कर रहा मैं उसे पिछले 6 साल से यार.
पर जिंदा है ना वो.
हाँ हाँ जिंदा है.
Why?
भाई आप सोचो, आप लोग को किस दिन मैं घर बुलाऊं एंड लाइक तुम्हारा फ्लैटमेट कहाँ है, लाइक ये लाइक कहाँ है,
कहाँ है?
सोचो 6 साल भाई मेरे जो 6 साल मेरी आंखों के आगे फ्लैश करेंगे. Fuck dude, shit bro.
But yeah, tell us your horror stories. Anything that happened to you.
मैं एक भी कमेंट नहीं पढ़ूंगा, मैं एक भी रिप्लाई नहीं
No,
करूंगा.
I will read all of them. If something that happened to you that you can actually share with us that actually happened to you, please
Yeah.
do. I would be very.
हम
fascinated.
तीनों में से कौन है वो इंसान जो कमेंट पढ़ता नहीं है, देखता नहीं है, बस सीधा लव कर देता है?
love कर देते? Like.
मैं पढ़ता हूँ पर.
अच्छा अच्छा, क्योंकि
But which one did I?
कुछ कमेंट में ना अपने को गालियां पड़ी हुई
Oh,
होती हैं
so see,
जबरदस्त.
Of course.
So see,
Then
see, see.
and then I'm like फिल्मी को लड़ा loved this. I'm
The
like,
thing
क्या
is-
चल रहा है
see,
ये?
see, see. The thing is, sometimes no. See, they are still commenting. That means they are
Watching the video.
watching the video, and they feel passionately about something.
Yeah, I'm
and
sure,
comment.
I'm
So I
sure.
heart it. I don't like it.
Heart isn't heart like one step ahead of
So
like
heart is basically like
acknowledgement.
Acknowledgement कि हाँ पढ़ लिया भाई खुश रहे.
वो कमेंट किसका था कि मैं 1 मिनट तक नहीं देखूंगा, मैं नहीं चाहता तुम्हें
AdSense
एडसेंस से
का
पैसे मिले.
Someone said that, and I hearted that.
Yeah, yeah.
I guess so,
No,
yeah.
I highly doubt. I would have read this and I would have remembered.
नहीं बट हमारे लास्ट कमेंट पे हमारे लास्ट वीडियो पे वी आर क्लोज टू 100 कमेंट्स डूड. इमेजिन
Overrated.
ओवररेटेड मूवीज, 100 कमेंट्स. एक बंदे ने कुछ 20-30 मिडिल फिंगर्स दिखाई हैं और उस पे लिखा है दिस वंस फॉर यू, जिसने YGHD बोला, ये जवानी है दीवानी.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah, those are the scariest of them all. YGHD fans.
एक बंदे ने लिखा है कि रॉकी रानी की प्रेम कहानी द मोस्ट ओवररेटेड फिल्म. That was for him and that comment has like 24 likes.
No, yeah, Rocky Rani is fine. Like it's like adequately rated.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah.
It's like whatever यार, ठीक है, रशियन एक्सपेरिमेंट इसकी माँ का.
So, do you guys plan to watch Tumbad in theaters?
Oh, of course. No,
Oh,
now I don't know though now.
I already watched it in theaters when it came out.
Even
'cause
I watched
I'm
it in
like
theaters. No, I
hipster.
didn't watch it in theaters. Oh, bro, this was the story that I wanted to start the episode with. Fuck. So Tumbad. So one of my friends recommended Tumbad to me. They were like, bro, cinematic masterpiece. Do watch it. So I was like, okay, I'll watch it. उसने मैंने पूछा हॉरर तो नहीं है, कहता नहीं थ्रिलर है, देख ले. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है, देख लेता हूँ. भाई मैंने पिक्चर लगाई, पहले 2.5 मिनट में दादी आ जाती है. उतने में ही हो गया मेरा. मैंने लैपटॉप बंद किया, साइड कर दिया. एंड देन ही सेड कि मैंने उसको बताया, तू क्या कर रहा है, तू ये कर रहा है, तू वो कर रहा है, वगैरह वगैरह. एंड देन ही सेड अरे बस वो 5 ही मिनट है, फिर नहीं है. मैंने कहा अच्छा ठीक है भाई, मैं 5 मिनट किसी तरीके से देख लेता हूँ. 5 मिनट देखे 2x पे, ठीक है, वो दादी वादी वाला सीन निकल गया. फिर उसके बाद मैंने
Crazy, yeah.
वो नॉर्मल कर लिया. काफी हद तक नॉर्मल चली. फिर एंड में आता है भाई हस्तर. बट तब तक मैं इतना कमिट कर चुका था मूवी को कि आई वाज लाइक अब मैं देख ही लेता हूँ. तो पता है मैंने लिटरली तुम्बाड़ कैसे देखी है, वो द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ इट लैपटॉप पे देख रहा हूँ. लैपटॉप जहाँ आप बैठे हो ना, वहाँ लैपटॉप करके, और मैं यहाँ से ऐसे देख रहा हूँ उसको, क्योंकि मुझे मूवी देखनी है बट आई कांट सी इट अप क्लोज. तो मैं इतनी दूर से बैठ के तुम्बाड़ देखी है.
I too loved it. You know, I love the feeling of being scared, of the goosebumps or whatever it is.
और क्या होता है, scared feeling ही तो होती है.
हाँ वही तो ना. But knowing that feeling is like a high, you know, a little bit. So I love feeling that,
And
knowing that I'm scared.
Antariksh loves getting high.
Yeah, you get it. Car. And then when things combine, it's great. So yeah, like when things like that happen, it drives me.
So that's the episode, guys. That is the episode. Thanks Sushant for recommending the topic. हमारे दिमाग में तो नहीं आता Friday the 13th. हम तो कुछ और ही सोच के बैठे हुए थे कि ये वाला रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. But thanks for the recommendation. अगर आप लोगों के माइंड में और लोग के, मैं पता नहीं वेबकैम में देख के क्यों बात कर रहा हूँ, बट आप लोगों के माइंड में अगर कोई और टॉपिक हो, प्लीज़ डू ड्रॉप अ कॉमेंट, डू ड्रॉप इन लाइक अ DM or something. And follow us on our channel. Follow us on our Instagram and subscribe to the channel.
Yes.
Abbas,
that's right.
your channel is?
My channel is Abbas Momin. My Instagram is Abbas Momin88 and my Twitter is just Abbas Momin.
Yes, you can follow me on Instagram at Antariksh T. You can follow me on YouTube at Antariksh Takkar, and keep following this channel, Filmy Kulwala. We'll be putting out a lot more content here.
Yes.
Keep liking, keep enjoying. Snail.
You can follow me at the Rich Snail on Instagram, and the YouTube channel is Filmy Colada, of course. Pop Conversation हमारी playlist है. इसको please like, subscribe, share to the channel, drop in your comments. Please, we need to be able to stay true to the नहीं, we need to prove to the guy जिसने comment किया है कि हम किसी दिन job छोड़ के full time में कर पाएं, ताकि हम मान ले इस बात को कि हम नहीं समझ पा रहे तमाशा जैसी पिक्चर. So please do drop in that subscribe, and we'll see you in the
Finally-
next. Oh, yes.
Finally, I would please. I am recording that Filmy Game Show live every weekend, Friday and Saturday. Please come for the live shows. Please help us out.
Yes,
It's really fun.
please come for the live shows. किसी दिन हो सकता है मैं भी दोबारा आपके वहीं बैठे फिर एक थोड़ा सा लाइव पॉप कन्वर्सेशन चैट भी कर लेंगे
Yes,
सबके साथ बैठ
exactly. क्यों
के,
नहीं
है ना? ऐसा महफिल बैठा लेंगे जहाँ पे हॉरर बातें नहीं करेंगे.
100%. All right. See you again next week, guys. Bye bye. Hasta la vista.
गुमनाम है
कोई